My name is Alaina and I live in the city of Detroit.
Alaina is an armed Detroiter.
I carry a Glock 45.
Keep one in the chamber?
Definitely. Keep my gun right here on my lap.
She chooses to carry a gun to protect herself. She says her gun helped her survive an armed carjacking at a liquor store on Detroit's west side.
My arm was hit.
Gonville was shot in the arm during the attack.
War wound here.
She drove herself to the hospital. Police never caught the attackers.
So they had AK and I had my Glock, and it went down. They saw a pretty girl with pink lipstick and they just thought that they could get me, and surprise, surprise, I'm Honey the Bouncer.
Stories like hers are why so many people in Detroit have decided to take personal protection into their own hands.
Why do you carry a firearm?
Because I live in Detroit.
Why not call the police?
Sometimes it takes a while.
Hey, how you doing?
Detroit's chief of police, James Craig, agrees.
It only takes a minute or less for violence to happen, and it's over.
And that's why Craig strongly supports the right to carry.
If a citizen is armed, they have a better opportunity of staying alive than if they weren't.
Michigan issues gun permits to anyone in Detroit who takes a class and passes a background check. Gonville took her firearms class with Detroit native Rick Ector.
Heck yeah, let's shoot.
Ector's Detroit-based gun rights group, named Legally Armed in Detroit, has helped thousands of women get their carry permits.
We have a growing number of women here in Metro Detroit who are learning more about firearms and what it takes to defend themselves.
Do you recommend that law-abiding citizens go out and get that permit?
If they're law-abiding, they get the training, absolutely. I've particularly found interest in going to classes that are all female, who support carrying concealed weapons.
The number of permits has surged. In Wayne County, Michigan, where Detroit is located, nearly 1 in every 10 people has a carry permit.
We have professionals, we have house moms, we have people who are just everyday normal citizens.
When criminals prey and look for victims, they're usually looking for those who they believe are defenseless. We're talking about women. We're talking about the elderly.
There's always going to be crime. There's always going to be, you know, they say the devil came to steal, kill, and destroy, and he's not going nowhere.
What would happen if the government made it illegal to carry a gun?
People would still carry. My dad always says, I'd rather be judged by 12 than carried by 6. Is that how it goes? So, I mean, it's a survival.